Hi everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your Dropbox account if you have forgotten your password. For that, you'll need to open up your Dropbox app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the sign in option which is at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on having trouble signing in. After that, select Forgot Your Password. Now, enter the email address that is linked to your account and then tap on Reset Password. Dropbox will now email you with instructions for resetting your password, so open up your mail. Tap on the blue tab that says Reset Password in order to access the link. Then, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. After you are done, tap on Submit. Now your Dropbox password has been updated, so open up your Dropbox app. Enter the password that you have recently set and then tap on Sign In. This way you can recover your Dropbox account if you have forgotten your password. You can now continue to access your computer's file on the device you are using, back up and access your files and photos anywhere, and scan your documents. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.